You're listening to Fluent Talk Academy.
Hey, English learners. Welcome back to Fluent Talk Academy. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. We are happy to see you here today.
Today, we're going to talk about something simple, but really useful. Hobbies.
Exactly. We all have things we enjoy doing in our free time. Maybe you like reading, cooking, watching movies, playing games, or even just going for a walk.
And today, we're going to have a natural conversation about our hobbies. So don't just listen. Try to repeat some of the sentences with us.
And don't worry if your English isn't perfect. Just relax and enjoy the conversation.
So, speaker 2, let's start with a simple question. What do you like to do after work?
After work? Well, I usually like to listen to music.
Oh, really? What kind of music do you listen to?
It depends on my mood. Sometimes I listen to pop music. Sometimes I listen to something calm when I want to relax.
That makes sense. I also like listening to music, especially when I'm tired.
What about you? What do you usually do after work?
I enjoy reading books.
Nice. What kind of books do you like?
I really like mystery books
Mystery books? Why?
because they keep me guessing. I always want to know what happens next.
So you like solving mysteries?
Exactly. Sometimes I think I'm a detective.
Really? Do you solve the mystery before the end of the book?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Okay, almost never.
That's more honest.
What about you? Besides listening to music, do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I really enjoy cooking.
Oh, cooking. Are you a good cook?
I think so.
You think so?
Yes. My family says my food is good.
That's a good sign. What's your favorite thing to cook?
Fried rice.
Fried rice? That's one of my favorite foods.
Really?
Absolutely. Especially when I'm hungry.
I think everything tastes better when you're hungry.
That's true. So, can I try your fried rice someday?
Of course.
Great. When?
Maybe this weekend.
Perfect. I'll bring my appetite.
That's all you're bringing?
What else should I bring?
You can wash the dishes.
Wait, what?
You heard me. I'll cook and you wash the dishes.
So that's the hidden price.
Of course. Nothing is free.
Okay. Deal.
Great. Actually, cooking sounds fun. Maybe I should learn how to cook too.
You should. Cooking is a useful hobby. You can make something delicious and learn new skills at the same time.
True. And what about exercise? Is that a hobby for you?
Yes, sometimes I go for a walk in the evening.
I like walking too. It's simple and it helps me relax.
Exactly. You don't need expensive equipment. Just put on your shoes and go outside.
What do you usually do while walking?
Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to podcasts.
That's a great way to learn English too.
Definitely. You can exercise and practice English at the same time.
That's actually a pretty good idea.
See? We're learning and having a conversation at the same time.
So let's talk about another popular hobby, watching movies.
Oh, I love movies.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I like comedy movies because they make me laugh.
Same here. Sometimes I just want to sit down, relax, and watch something funny.
Exactly.
Do you watch movies alone or with friends?
Usually with friends. It's more fun because we can talk about the movie afterward.
That's true. A good movie can give you something to talk about for hours.
And sometimes a bad movie can do the same thing.
That's even more true.
So I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
If you had a whole day with no work and no responsibilities, what would you do?
I'd probably read a book in the morning, go for a walk in the afternoon, and watch a movie in the evening.
That sounds like a perfect day.
What about you?
I'd cook something new, listen to music, and spend some time with my friends.
Sounds great.
And maybe make some fried rice.
Wait! Don't forget our deal.
What deal?
You cook, I wash the dishes.
Don't worry, I won't forget.
So let's quickly review some useful English phrases from today's conversation.
You can say, I enjoy reading.
I like listening to music.
What kind of books do you like?
What's your favorite hobby?
I usually go for a walk.
And you can ask someone, what do you like to do in your free time?
These are simple sentences, but they're very useful in everyday English conversations.
Now it's your turn. Think about your favorite hobby and say 3 sentences about it in English.
For example, I like cooking. I cook on weekends. I enjoy trying new recipes.
Great. Practice out loud, even if you're alone.
Before you go, tell us in the comments, what topic would you like us to talk about in our next English podcast?
Also, tell us in the comments, what's your favorite hobby? We'd love to hear your ideas, so don't forget to leave a comment.
And if you enjoyed this conversation, like the video and subscribe to Fluent Talk Academy.
And thank you so much for your amazing support. It really means a lot to us.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep learning English with us.
Stay connected with Fluent Talk Academy, and we'll see you in the next video.
Take care and see you next time.